welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do eye massage, and as I already told you in my previous video that before doing face massage we always start from neck. Okay, so we will start from neck, and for this we use natural oils. Never use artificial oils because they are dangerous for your skin. Okay, so let's start and do this massage with me while watching this video. Then you can learn all the steps one by one. Okay, so let's start now. Slowly. Press the lowest part of your eyes with your fingers. Now make small circles below your eyes. With the help of the fingers or your hands, lift your eyebrows, hold for some time, just for a few seconds. Again. Now do massage around the eyes with your two fingers like this. Similar on the other side. Finish your massage on neck. That was all about eye massage. Do it daily, twice in a day. It will give you great results. Okay, now please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. And all the best. Thank you very much.